If you don't want people to know that you have read their messages on WhatsApp and basically hide the blue tick from the conversation, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Now this is a very cool option. You can actually just read people's messages without them knowing, which is pretty cool. So follow it carefully with me till the very end and I'll show you exactly how can you do that. First, we need to get something out of the way. You need to go to your Play Store and make sure, or App Store, and make sure you have the WhatsApp app updated to the latest version, as you can see here. After that, go to the store and then go ahead and open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you are logged into your account, of course, then tap right here in the top right corner. Now from here, tap on settings at the top of this little menu that pops up, and then from here you need to tap on privacy. So go ahead and open privacy settings. Now what you need to do is to simply just turn off this toggle right next to read recipients right here. Just like that, we turn it off and the blue ticks will be hidden or disappear from the conversation completely. You can go ahead and check any conversation you have right now. The scene will not be mentioned there. So the only downside will be that even if they go ahead and see your messages, the blue ticks will not appear to them as well, and they need to be, of course, turning on this option as well on their devices as well. If you want to turn off this option, you can go back to the same place and turn on the read recipients. It is better to turn on this option once you go ahead and reply to people, so that they know, or they don't know, that you are actually hiding their read recipients, which can be misunderstood or can be found maybe rude by some people, or maybe unprofessional. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please don't forget to like, comment down below what you think about this video, leave your questions down below, and I'll try to reply to every single one of them. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.